We've been trying to manifest something for months, perhaps even years, but it hasn't worked out for us. Then there are doubts coming in our mind. Is this really meant for me? Perhaps the universe is not listening to me. Maybe this is not in my destiny. Do you also get such thoughts? Are you also on the verge of giving up? Telling yourself that perhaps I don't need to dream that big, or perhaps I can't dream that big. This video, I'm going to share with you a very important point that can actually take you from feeling restless, sad, dejected to feeling empowered. A sense of peace and inner motivation that will take you towards your best desired life. You see, manifestation always works. It doesn't matter what you're trying to manifest. The only problem is we are not in the right frequency and space to allow things to happen to us. We are never creating anything. We are allowing things to come into our lives. Either the thought or the frequency we are in allows the flow of the miracles or it blocks it. हमें लगता है जीवन में हमें और मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत है, कभी लगता है और पैसों की आवश्यकता है, कभी लगता है एक रिश्ता सही हो जाए तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। सच तो ये है, सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत हमें इस बात की है कि हम हमारे अंदर बैठे मेमोरीज को, अनहील्ड इमोशंस को रिलीज करने का तरीका समझें। हमारे अंदर जो इमोशंस बैठे हैं ना, बार बार ट्रिगर होते हैं, वो हमारी क्लैरिटी को ब्लॉक करते हैं, वो हमें सही समय पर सही एक्शन लेने से रोकते हैं। जब तक कि हम अपने इमोशंस को निकालने का रास्ता नहीं ढूंढेंगे, क्या ऐसा कोई सरल रास्ता है जिससे हमारी एनर्जी सुधरने लगे, हम अपने इमोशंस को रिलीज कर सके? ऐसा एक प्रोसेस और टेक्निक है जिसका नाम है हो'ओपनोपोनो। हो'ओपनोपोनो एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम कनेक्शन के द्वारा अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को करेक्ट करते हैं। इस प्रोसेस को मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझाऊंगी अपने 11 अप्रैल के मुंबई में होने वाले वर्कशॉप। इस वर्कशॉप में हम मिलकर अपने पास्ट की क्लीनिंग करेंगे, उन पैटर्न्स पर भी काम करेंगे जिनसे शायद हम अब तक परिचित भी नहीं। रजिस्ट्रेशन का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। अगर आप अपनी हीलिंग के लिए तैयार हैं तो जल्द से जल्द इस वर्कशॉप के लिए साइन अप जरूर कीजिए। Today in this video I'll be sharing with you a 30 days manifestation practice that can take you from stressful efforts to actually effortless grace and ease, where things happen to you in flow, where you feel a sense of alignment with what you want, where you don't come from chasing, forcing pressure, but from inner alignment and peace. Because peace brings clarity, clarity brings more power and solutions. You need 3 things. Your day needs some structure. That means some routine and discipline. 2, you need patience. You will have to do the practices with patience. You will have to approach them with the attitude, this is going to help me and I have to keep doing this in order to achieve my highest good. Number 3, you will have to do it with awareness. We can do something mechanically, but then after a point in time, if it's mechanical work, it may not keep me motivated to continue. I want you to understand exactly how the practices are helping you. And every time you have doubts in your mind, bring yourself back to that awareness. This is going to change my life. This is reprogramming my mind. This is shifting my energy around. Such awareness, such patience, such structure to your day will certainly take you towards living the life that you have imagined for yourself. Let's get started. First of all, day 1 to day 3. I want you to, in these 3 days, focus on sitting with yourself, reflecting on what do you really want. Come from a sense of clarity about what are your priorities in your life right now. Perhaps you've written down your goals earlier. It's a good time to revisit them, reflect deeply on whether these goals still resonate with you. Once you've identified what you want, it could be in the area of health, relationships, money, or life in general. Write it down very clearly, as if it's already happened for you. For example, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have bought my dream home. You see, come from clarity, but come from a sense of power that you are already in that mode, frequency and vibration. How? Through words. You see, even though I'm not there, when I use such words, I train myself to keep visiting that frequency that I would be if I had actually achieved this goal. And positive words can help you do that. So, make sure day 1 You are clear on what you want. You have written down these statements in the present tense. Now, the second and third day, all you have to do is keep journaling these good statements. These are your goal statements. There could be 3 to 4 statements. Don't write more than 5 because they will divide your focus and attention. And we want the subconscious mind to be focused on these goals. The time is not so important. How you write them with so much focus and concentration, if it's written, it will certainly reprogram the mind. It will start to create more acceptance about these very things. Remember, the subconscious always works on familiarity. So if you start feeding these thoughts every day that you already have bought your dream home, that you are married to a loving person, that you have already achieved your dream job, these things will start becoming familiar to the subconscious mind. Slowly the mind will start cooperating to make it happen. Now, day 4 to day 10, I want you to notice what negative emotions are coming up within you. You see, this whole week is about simply acknowledging whatever is going on within you. So many times we think manifestation is about positive thinking, so I don't need to focus on how I'm feeling at all. Let me ignore these feelings. But what you ignore, what you suppress, what you resist will persist. So now is the time. This week, accept whatever is going on, but be ready to clean on it. How? Just acknowledge if it's anger, if it's sadness, if it's irritation, if it's frustration. Place both your palms on your chest. Whenever you feel the trigger in the day, start rubbing your chest gently and think of yourself like a little child. Now, imagine this little child, your own younger version in your mind, and say to this little child within you, I'm sorry, I don't know from where these things have come up. I know we can let them go. Please forgive me for being unconscious about these patterns and memories. Thank you for being there for me. I love you wholeheartedly for everything. You see, these words are cleaning mantras that carry the energies of repentance, forgiveness, gratitude, and love. What are we doing? We are connecting with our own subconscious mind and trying to correct it through this connection. Every time you say, I love you, you make your subconscious mind feel safe. You make it feel supported. You make it feel cared for. Automatically, the subconscious mind starts to release whatever is coming in the way of us feeling powerful, worthy, successful, abundant. So these 7 days, just focus on acknowledging, then cleaning on the feelings. Now, this could happen maybe every 1 hour in the day, perhaps every 2 hours in the day. First day, just notice. Whenever you feel negative, stop. Pause, connect with your subconscious mind. You see, it will take you a few minutes, but it can go a long way in helping you start releasing these karmic debts, including past memories that we have come with, which often come in the way of our manifestations. Now, day 11 to day 20 is all about sitting with yourself and writing whatever thoughts you often get about your goals. For example, maybe you want to attract a certain amount of money. Maybe you want your monthly income to be, let's say, 10 lakhs. But the moment you are doing your work, the moment you are coming to your office, the thought is, I don't know when life is going to change. I don't think I deserve it. I don't think I'm smart enough. I don't think anyone is going to support me. I have never been lucky. These thoughts come to your mind. Now notice when these thoughts come. These thoughts come so subtly that our mind has begun to feel they are normal. But if you catch them, sit with yourself and ask yourself, what do I really feel about myself, about my body, about my work, about my skills, about my office, about my career, about my relationships, about life in general? You will be amazed and surprised to know that you have never ever paid attention to these thoughts, but you have them within you. Why? Because they have come up now. So write down everything. A thought could be as simple as life is tough. Write it down. No one loves me. Write it down. Now, once all the negative thoughts, beliefs, and patterns are written down, convert each statement into a positive reverse. For example, I'm not lucky is converted into I am very lucky. No one loves me. I'm always loved, supported, and respected. Now that this new list is ready, start in the course of these days, day 11 to day 20, affirm every 1 hour in the day. For some time, of course, maybe few days, you will not remember the statements. So take the paper in your hand. Keep the sheet handy with you. You could be at work. Take multiple copies. One copy can be kept in the house, one copy in your office desk. Every 1 hour in the day, try to take the sheet out, read the positive statements. The negative ones, anyways, you can cancel, throw. We don't need them anymore now. We'll just keep the list of positive statements. These are not any normal affirmations or statements. They are those statements that will support you to achieve your goals because they are the reverse of your mental blockages and dominant thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. This simple practice of affirming these good thoughts every 1 hour in the day, right until you sleep at night, will ensure you train your mind to focus on these energies now. Slowly, as it accepts that you are lucky, it will drop that you are unlucky. As it accepts that you are abundant, it will drop that you have never been lucky in your life, that you have never ever attracted money before. So slowly, negative thoughts will be replaced with positive ones. Now, day 21 to day 27, I want you to focus on visualization. Now that we have started to release negative beliefs, we have started to connect with the subconscious mind, we are clear about what we want, let us get ourselves to that frequency, that energy that we would be in if we had attracted our goal. What better way to do this than visualization? So, every 2 to 3 hours in the day, close your eyes for a minute, visualize and ask yourself, where would you be, how would you be, what would you feel like if your topmost priority or goal would have been achieved. Try to involve all your 5 senses in the practice. Sense of sight, touch, taste, smell. When you involve your 5 senses, you start seeing where you are, who are you celebrating with, what's the sound coming around you, what are you eating. You see, this whole thing in your visualization can make the visualization very real for the brain. 1 minute every few hours in the day, practice for these days, and you will see how you start to believe. In fact, you start to feel that it's already yours. You don't come from lack anymore that I don't have it yet. Rather, you come from faith and confidence. It's going to be mine soon. This confidence is very essential for breaking barriers to manifestation. Now let's come to day 27 to day 30. Very important time, because here you are actually putting together everything that you have done in the last 25 to 26 days. This is the time you practice letting go, detaching yourself from your goal. And the moment you come to bed to sleep at night, maybe things didn't go your way. Maybe you were upset about something. Offer that to God as well. Why? Because day 27 to day 30, we are focusing on one energy primarily, which is surrender. Surrender allows you to be in the world, yet be not of the world. It allows you to give your best, do your duty, but without worrying about the outcomes. Just as Lord Krishna says to Arjuna in the Gita, Karmanyavadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. He does not say na phaleshu kadachana. He's not asking us to not set goals. He's only asking us to do everything as your duty. Do it to the best of your capacity. Because when you give your best, God will take care of the rest. Now, if you would like to continue all these practices on a given day, by the time you come to day 27, absolutely fine. Otherwise, here's a simple rule. Take one activity for those particular days. And once you finish 30 days, start putting all of these together. So remember, there is no pressure that you have to do everything in one day. But yes, follow my guidance of first connecting with your goals, then releasing negative feelings, then affirming the good thoughts and beliefs. Finally, after reinforcing good beliefs, you come to visualizing your best outcomes, and then you release your fears through surrender. Practice it exactly in this manner and structure I've given you, and you will see how all your stress has been converted to confidence that I am going to achieve my goals. I deserve to live my best life. If you're ready to try these practices, put in the comments, I am ready to receive my highest good. At the end of 30 days, come back here and let me know how they have worked for you.